Viewers, now I am going to make a review on Gama Hawk. It's a black ebonite pen. It's a full matte black finish pen, and the difference between Gama EOS full matte black and Gama Hawk is the diameter, and the pen size is slightly bigger than EOS. But in both the pens, number 35 nib is available. So let us check how the pen writes. Pen was start in is one of the best pen shops in India. The pen is having a very good flow, so we can buy for the nib itself. We can buy this pen. For holding, this is slightly bigger. Let us measure what is the diameter of the holding. So it is around 13 mm, and in EOS it is 11 mm. I am speaking about the average diameter because this has a taper, so we cannot exactly fix the diameter. So the minimum diameter is 13 mm in this pen, so it is slightly bulkier. So the whoever wants a bigger holding, so they can choose this pen. And as I told in my earlier videos, please apply Vaseline on the threads of the grip so that it will get good lubrication and the life of the threads will be increased. On the long run you will not get any leakage problems. And if you want to remove the nib and feeder in case of any damage, or you want to try with any other brand nibs, and then have a block like this and make a hole on the top, uh, where the hole diameter should be slightly bigger than the winged width of the nib. Okay, and then just insert the grip like this, and then rest it, and then use a nylon hammer or wooden mallet and just tap it gently on the top, so that the nib and feeder unit will comes out easily. Okay, so please don't try any other method in such tight fit feeder grip pens. So this is the review, and if you have any other queries, you can give comments so that we can help you in a better way. Thank you.